In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a Temu cancel order in 2026, step by step. To get started, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. This is important because you'll need access to the order history connected to the account where the purchase was made. After logging in, head to your account area. In the app, tap the Use section. If you're using the website, click your profile icon instead. From there, select your orders. This will bring up a list of your recent purchases, find the order that you canceled, and open it so you can review the details. The next thing you want to do is check the current order status. This is the key part because whether or not you can reverse the cancellation depends on what status the order is showing. If the order says cancellation pending, that usually means the cancellation request is still being processed, so there may still be a chance to stop it. If the order already says canceled, that generally means the cancellation has been completed and can't normally be undone. If your cancellation is still pending, open the order details and look carefully for an option such as undo cancel, withdraw cancellation, or something similar. If you see one of those options, tap or click it, then confirm your choice. That's the fastest and easiest way to try to restore the order. Just keep in mind that this option is not available for every order, and it usually only appears before the cancellation has been fully finalized. If you don't see any option to undo the cancellation, the next step is to contact Temu customer support. Go to the help and support section in the app or on the website, then start a chat with customer support. When you reach them, provide your order number and ask whether the cancellation can still be stopped. This can be helpful if the order is in a temporary processing stage, but if the cancellation is already complete, support usually won't be able to restore that same order. If that happens, your final option is to place a new order. Search for the same product on Temu, add it to your cart, and complete the purchase again. Just remember that by the time you reorder, the price, availability, or any promotion